my goodness, it is open. Yes. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Newbie Views. My name is Bill and I am following up on a story that has hit the pizza world in Kingston for the last 6 months or so. And we're talking about the reopening of Tata's on Princess Street. As you may have heard, in June, an uninsured driver smashed through the window of a local pizza shop called Tata's, and they've been out of business for a long time. What they thought a few days turns into weeks and months. While it's now November, they have just opened up a week or two ago. Unfortunately, I was not working, so didn't know. But I am here today to review their pizza slice. So I got a combination all dressed. They have a special. It's like $5 or $5.50 or something like that. I got another second slice. $11, 2 slices, plus a beverage of your choice. Has to be a canned beverage though. So $11. That's better than the Loblaws I tried out a couple of months ago. And more importantly, it's hot and it's fresh. And it's from Tata's. And if you don't know Tata's, it is a small business owned local company in a traditional style. So take a look. Oh, wow. Look at that crust. Oh my God. I got 2 slices. Oh my God. Look at it, people. Oh, wow. Look at the cheese. Look at the beautiful undercarriage. It's crispy. The amount of cheese on it is huge. I got green peppers, mushrooms, and pepperoni. So not all dressed. Guys, I'm going in for my first bite. You know the score is already going to be in the 4s. I'm telling you right now. But the whole story is they have survived. They are rebuilt. Hopefully you got some of the terrible phone pictures I got out there, but it was packed in there. So here we go. That layer of cheese is so huge. Thumbnail. Oh my God. The fact that they use a bunch of chopped up green peppers means that every bite you're getting a good piece. It's not the way I would do it at home, but for this it works well. Oh my God. That is so good. Now maybe because it's 12:04 and I'm starving, but this is insane. I forgot to get self-serve napkins. I forgot totally. But so just to mention, on their window they have a promotion. A extra large 3-topping $27.99. For the wow. Extra large. That's Monday to Wednesdays. Fridays you have to ask about it. I don't remember exactly what it is. Right on the window. Pick up only. $27.99 for quality pizza like this. Massive amount of cheese. Well toasted. I should have got some marinara dipping sauce, but I did not for the crust. So back to the story. They just reopened after probably about 5 or 6 months of being closed. I think I've read on the paper that some of the guys have been laid off. They found other jobs. I guess the majority returned. So guys, if you want pizza, a good pizza slice, $5, like I said, I would go and see them. Not to say that, you know, is this the best pizza out there? Pretty darn close. I might as well give it a ranking. This slice, and in fact, always their pizza, I'm going to give this a 4.25. Is there a pizza out there that is worth a 5? I am sure. I've never tasted it yet, but this is pretty close as you're ever going to get to a fantastic pizza slice. I love that crust. I like the fact that this is actually a slice of pizza on bread versus it's so thin that literally it falls apart. You need this because once you fill it up with toppings, you need something to hold the pizza together. So good. So airy. There's a little bit of chew to the dough, which I absolutely love. Don't get me wrong, I do like thin crust as well, but this would be my go-to. If I wanted supper, I want this. It's light, it's airy, crispy. I'll put in the link in the description below. Tata's, the one on Princess Street. Go see Mike. He'll set you up with the combo. Get a family size on their special nights if you want, but there you go. All right, folks, I think that's it for today. Tata's has now been reopened. Fantastic pizza. Go support a local company, small business. It's there. All right, folks, if you like this video, if you like pizza, give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn on all your notifications. Just by hitting personalized, you may not get your results. Hit personalized, turn on to all notifications on, and you should get our videos. All right, till then, we are out for this week. Peace. Boom.